Bienvenidos chicos al resumen de mercado de hoy. For today, we had some whole lot of bullshit. If you go on the 4 hour, you can see this is the 4 hour New York candle, and we did absolutely fucking nothing. Well, we did shit, but it's just ugly. So yeah, let's get into it. I don't have to say much about today's market because they were fucking horrendous. If you look at this is London Open. Since London Open, we just consolidated, which is pretty crazy. So yeah, let's go over it. That's the indicator. Okay, so on the 4 hour, we had this gap right here. 4 hour gap. Where's this shit? No, it's right. We had this 4 hour gap, which we created when breaking structure also on the 4 hour. We also had this bullish SMT right here, whilst having a lot of bearish pressure, which in my opinion made the market move weird. And also it's Monday, so yeah, it was a weird fucking day to trade. So yeah, we broke structure. We had a bullish SMT, also broke structure right here. We had also, yeah, we also have this 4 hour fair value gap right here. Now if we scale down into the 1 hour time frame, we had this big 1 hour fair value gap, which is the same as here also. Like, I don't want to mark that shit out. But yeah, let's get into the 5 minute and let's see the craziness of this session. Like, bro, is it Asia session or what the fuck is this? So we had some highs up here, New York, Asia, and then 1 hour liquidity. Um, yeah, basically, I was never looking to take those out. I was pretty bearish because 4 hour is bearish, and 1 hour was bearish too. Yeah, we had the bullish SMT, but I don't know. I mean, it's a 1 hour SMT, so. And we also swept past this on NASDAQ and just was more bearish pressure in my. I thought there was more bearish pressure also with this 1 hour high right here, this 1 hour fair value gap, and London highs getting swept pre market. This gap was created at 4, so yeah, at this candle closure, this gap was created with this the high of the 4 hour candle. We came up, tapped this 4 hour gap, and then came down into the 4 hour in this 1 hour liquidity. As you can see, maybe we could have done something like this right here. And then entry right off the C wave, and could have taken something like this. Yeah, I would have entered down here because the waves told me that, and I would have targeted right here in the middle of this candle because this is where the D wave would have ended. So, but to really get into it, we could also look at this right here. If we mark this right here, perfect, align this. You can perfectly see how this candle moves down into this gray zone, which indicates we are moving higher. But yeah, this is obviously talking bullshit. Today there was no possibility to take a trade. Maybe from this 5 minute fair value gap if we did not sweep out this shit already. Because look at this. Market opens, we go up on both charts, we sweep up London lows on both. We tap this 1 hour gap already. I forgot to mark this right now. This is a 1 hour gap. I don't want to mark it. I'm lazy. So market opens, we come up into the 1 hour gap, sweep those two highs, we sweep London highs, which for me indicates we want to go lower. But markets were super choppy, super weird, and we just come down, sweep out London lows and 1 hour liquidity, and a bit later we sweep out New York lows. Then we sweep out. It's kind of just fucking consolidation. I don't even know what to say. We just swept out some shit, and we are probably going I don't know if we are going lower, but I think if we go on the daily time frame, we definitely will come to a level about something like around here. So yeah, just a little retrace on the daily time frame because we are super extended and we had a lot of all-time highs created in the last few days and weeks. So I think it's just a little retrace. Oh shit, I did not see this. We are bearish on the daily time frame. Yeah, but I still think this is just a retrace. Maybe sweep those daily lows, which would be a big, big, big retrace, in my opinion. Oh, well, not even this big. Um, if we sweep those daily lows right here, this would be okay. No, it's not even that big of a deal. I just think we maybe come down to equilibrium level or this daily low getting swept, and then we continue higher in the next few days. But pretty much this is everything that happened during the session because this looks just like a whole lot of bullshit. But actually seeing this right now, we can see this is the one left shoulder, and we have the head right here and the right shoulder. And from there on, we could have easily taken um some sideways orders, and you see how perfectly this would have worked out. Yeah. So this is just fooling around. You guys should not trade with bullshit like this. If you are profitable, do it, but I don't really like it. But yeah, just a whole lot of bullshit this session. Hopefully tomorrow gets better. We can also look at what um news are today. Damn. Oh no, it's Friday. Um this is today. Tomorrow we have I thought we had news today. Hold up. I thought we would have well, okay. This does not look really nice. We have FOMC tomorrow, on Wednesday. I think this should be maybe some okay price action tomorrow. I don't know. Two no news days in a row. Bit of kind of crazy. Unemployment claims and PMI. This will most probably be a nice day to trade. And Friday, you should just full port your account and hope that Fed Powell says something that works in your trade direction and full porting your whole account. Just kidding, don't do this. Friday is a not trading day. You can trade those 2 days. Tomorrow, maybe a bit weird, but all in all, it's an okay week. So want to see what happened. Wow, this is some bullshit. This is some big ass bullshit. Is August just a wow? Why is why is this so bad? It does not look good for the next few days to trade. But yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.